Hey guys, and welcome back to Ultimate Squid Gaming, and to a different kind of video. I'm outside and I'm going to be planting in these couple of little pots some elephant garlic. Let's see if I can get it on the camera. Why are we not on autofocus? Hello camera? There we go. Some elephant garlic cloves. So these are pretty huge. Let's open this packet. I have no idea how this is coming out on camera. It's really makeshift the way that I'm recording. But yeah, these are enormous. Obviously, I'm not going to keep them in these little tiny pots. I just want to see if they'll start growing, and then I'll replant them. So yeah, I kind of touch it on the screen. There, you can see in the size of my hand. These are huge. So it's actually really difficult, trying to get the right angles. But yeah, it's an enormous bulb. Okay, so I have some soil, well, compost, which, I mean, it's okay. It's a bit sort of lumpy. Yeah. What's it actually say? Autumn to early spring. It is indeed, well, sort of actually it is within that range. It's winter. Depth of 3 centimeters or 1 inch. So you can see if it'll focus. There we go. Right at the bottom, you see there. And part 10 centimeters. Well, that's clearly not 10 centimeters, but it's okay for now, probably. Actually, I can use this thing to leave my jeans on. Before I do, let's just get a quick photo of these garlic cloves, because they are enormous. There we go, this camera is so slow. Okay, some more of that in there. Put one. Oh, it's a bit squished. Maybe that's what it's meant to be, because it might already be starting to grow. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that, it's a little bit kind of indentated about there. Yeah. We'll see. I will of course leave some follow-ups, or maybe I just won't edit this now and I'll edit it later. I'm not sure. I don't know. Vlogs are difficult to record, even though this is not me on the camera. It's still really tough to record this kind of thing. Also, I have no idea how loud it's going to be. So, what is that piece of wire for some reason? Honestly, this compost is really poor. That one in there. So yeah, if I just take it up, you can see the size of them. They are pretty sizable. Yeah. I do love garlic though. I always think that, with the exception of obviously sweet things like desserts, that if a recipe doesn't call for onion or garlic, is it really a recipe? You know? Yeah, I just noticed I'm really in my own shadow. Yeah, it's tough. It's really tough recording this kind of thing. But look how bright it is. It's actually sunny for once, which is astounding. Also, I'm not sure if you're meant to leave the top hanging out. I'm going to guess you probably are. A bit of eggshell. Awesome. A little bit more. There we go. Now I was actually gonna put some water on them, but this compost is so damp I don't really think there's much point. So yeah, there they are. So yeah, I will also put this up on my website as well, and take some little probably screen grabs maybe. But yeah, I do hope you enjoyed this video. I will leave, of course, a follow-up. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Slap that like button if you did, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye guys!